So what are the steps of a personal injury lawsuit? It's easy for us lawyers to forget that most people have never been involved in a lawsuit. So here are the typical steps to one so you can understand the process a little bit better. The first phase is the pre-suit phase. This is everything that happens right after the accident occurs and you've undergone initial medical treatment. We will gather all the pertinent medical records and initial evidence, things like the police report, photographs, witness statements. We will likely send most of these items to the insurance company representing the other party to see what their settlement position is early on. And most importantly, to let them know about the severity of your claim to make sure they allocate appropriate funds for your case right away. Now, the first real step to a lawsuit is to file a complaint, which will be geographically based, typically on the residence of the parties or where the accident occurred. Next, after the defendants have filed their answers to your complaint, we move on to the discovery phase. Here, the parties send written documents regarding the facts and evidence to each other. We will then take depositions of the parties and of witnesses. This is where questions regarding the case are asked and answered under oath and recorded. Typically, this is all done outside of the courthouse. Often in discovery, defendants like to hold evidence back or create issues as to what they must turn over. So this phase can be dragged out for a while, unfortunately. Next is motion practice. During this pre-trial phase, if there are any issues, including those causing delays in discovery, that we need the court to resolve, or we want the court to make a determination as a matter of law on an issue, like determining that the defendant was 100% at fault for the accident, then we will file motions with the court to seek those remedies. Motions can be pending for several months as well. If the case still cannot settle at this point, we will let the court know that we are ready for trial. There is often a long wait due to how crowded the courts are. During this time, we make sure that everything is ready to go for your trial so that we are not the cause of any undue further delay and we can get to trial as soon as possible. So as you can see, personal injury lawsuits are not fast moving whatsoever. The key is to hire an attorney who will always be proactive in your case and not just reacting to the defendant's moves or to court orders. If your attorney is a reactive one, then your case will linger for much longer, totally unnecessarily. This is not to say that you should be in a rush to resolve your case. On the contrary, you want to be patient, intentional, and careful throughout every step of the way. But there is a difference between that and simply letting a case drag on due to a lack of action. Needless to say, you know which type of firm Siegel Law Firm is. Just check out our core values posted on our website and all of our social pages. Call us if you or a loved one ever needs us. We're always here for you. And most importantly, stay safe.